Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ram 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.